Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use YouTube with low data. You can easily manage your mobile data consumption by making a few simple adjustments within the app settings. These tips will help you enjoy your favorite content without unexpected data overages. We will cover quick ways to reduce your data usage, ensuring a smoother experience even with limited connectivity. Stay connected, but stay within your data plan too. A primary way to save data is by adjusting your video quality. Navigate to the settings icon on any video and select a lower resolution, such as 144 pixels or 240 pixels. The lower the number, the less data it consumes. You can also set a default quality for all videos when on mobile data, which prevents high-definition streaming automatically. This simple change alone can drastically reduce your data footprint. Leverage YouTube's download features to watch videos offline and save significant data. When connected to Wi-Fi, simply download your desired content for later viewing. Additionally, enable smart downloads, which automatically saves recommended videos to your device when a Wi-Fi connection is available. This clever feature ensures you always have something to watch without ever touching your mobile data. It's perfect for commutes or when you anticipate limited network access. Finally, activate YouTube's built-in data saver mode for automatic optimization. This setting intelligently reduces video quality and adjusts other features to minimize data use. Consider disabling autoplay for subsequent videos, as this prevents continuous streaming. Always remember to check your device's overall data usage settings for YouTube to monitor your progress. These combined strategies will help you enjoy YouTube content efficiently, preserving your valuable data allowance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.